Sorry about that, a little bit of technical difficulty there. So as we were saying, we had a customer in the deep south down in Invercargill. He's got 5 of the tanks that you sent over to us originally, just I think it was last week or the week before, and he's placed them onto the units. Happy as Larry. He's sent them out. He's already sold them. They're out at customers. They're no longer leaking, so we can definitely say that we are having tank issues. Originally there was question in it thinking that it might have been a fuel cap issue, which undoubtedly 1 or 2 of them are, but we are definitely having a large issue with the tanks. The last point I want to touch on here is actually what you see on this unit, is the clips that we talked about, where this one's the return pipe, this one here's the intake pipe. Now the intake pipe has been dropping pressure basically to the point where the fuel is no longer getting sucked up, and it's sucking up air, which creates an F1 error on the machine, and it shuts itself off because it's sucking up air as opposed to fuel, or diesel. So what we've had to do is take each one out of its box before it goes, and actually replace that with a more sturdier clamp-on style of hose clamp, which fixes that issue indefinitely, which is great. But again, it's just all these little things that factor up into a lot of work to actually do before you can actually send out a heater. And other than that, the units are great, but obviously if we can fix these things up, we can fix a lot of relationships out there that I think have been a little bit tarnished this year, unfortunately. Got some great guys out there, but they just need to unfortunately see a bit of love, and we just need to come to the party and get some fuel tanks sorted out for these guys, and sort of work on these sort of smaller batch issues in the future.
And sorry, Mark, just one thing. How many units do you think that we've probably had issues with that you've taken inquiries for? Would it be 15, 20 units now?
Probably be more than that.
Probably more than that.
I would probably guess around the 40 to 50 mark out of the maybe 150 that we've sold so far. And it's getting to the point that when I wake up and it's cold, I know that I'm going to get at least half a dozen to a dozen phone calls saying I've got a broken heater, basically, and it shows time and again. I am getting unfortunate amounts of phone calls in regards to mainly just these few small issues that we can fix up quite easily, I hope.
Okay, so thanks a lot.
Catch you later, mate.
See ya.
See you.